चलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज मनोज शर्मा। वेलकम टू एडुटेक एक्सपर्ट्स। और एडुटेक एक्सपर्ट्स में आज हम हैं डाइटेक में, और जहां हम हैं BenQ के साथ में। और एक नया प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में अभी आया है जो लास्ट ईयर भी था, बट और क्या एनहांसमेंट है उस प्रोडक्ट के अंदर, तो आप देख पाएंगे कि मेरे सामने एक नीचे एक स्क्रीन है जिसको हम एक्टिव फ्लोर बोलते हैं। और ऊपर अगर आप देखेंगे तो ऊपर आपको दिया हुआ एक प्रोजेक्शन कर रहा है नीचे। और ये कैसे एक्टिव फ्लोर काम करता है उसके बारे में हम सौरभ जी से जानेंगे। सौरभ जी, एग्जैक्टली इसकी क्या एप्लीकेशन है और क्यों यूज हो रहा है ये एक्टिव फ्लोर?
सो बेसिकली अभी तक आपने देखा जो इंटरेक्टिव पैनल्स स्कूल्स में हमारे पास वो हैं। नाउ दिस इज अ न्यू वे ऑफ लर्निंग।
ओके,
ये जो फोकस करता है, ये पूरा मैकेनिज्म जो है इस एक्टिव फ्लोर पे है। ओके, इसी में हमारे पास सेंसर्स हैं, प्रोजेक्टर है, स्पीकर है। इट्स अ वन बॉक्स सॉल्यूशन एंड द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दिस इज बीइंग यूज्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट टू लर्न द सब्जेक्ट। नाउ इट इज आल्सो हैविंग द कंटेंट मोर देन 21,000 गेम्स। अभी हम आपको वही शोकेस करेंगे हाउ यू कैन यूज इट। इसके अलावा आप मॉनिटर भी यूज कर सकते हैं जहां पर यू कैन शोकेस द होम पेज, जिसमें मल्टीपल गेम आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एज वेल एज बिकॉज इट इज इंटरेक्टिव, यहाँ पर बच्चे कैन एंजॉय।
So that means learning with games. Games के साथ में, gamification के साथ में, student going to learn the subjects and the topics. इसका डेमो करते हैं और डेमो के लिए
we have an expert, Samriddhi.
So I think my colleagues have already begun with the demonstration, as you are aware. So with Active Floor, we are giving around 20,000 plus educational content over here, in which you can customize the existing contents. You can create your own contents in any language that you want to. So as you can see on the main floor, it's a layout that shows different subjects, game types and playlists. So school can cater to their own curriculum. They can design their contents in different subjects. They can keep it in that subject's loop. They can use different contexts that are fixed in nature. So these are 30 fixed, which can they use for their game templates, and we have created playlist. So going with the age group, specifically for the kindergartens, the early educators. So I'm going to show how you can help with the education part, specifically the animal sounds. What if you want to teach your kids about the animal sounds in the classroom? So you can bring your kids on the floor and you can teach them about different animals and how the sound will work. Rules are very simple and very basic. The first thing that you have to do is to stand on the blank box. As you can hear the sound, this is a toad sound. So you'll go and select toad. So the concept is to jump and learn at the same time. So I'll stand on this white again. I heard the sound, then I'll run, and then I'll select the. So in this way, we are catering to the topic of animal sounds.
It's a horse.
Yes. You can cater to different subjects like maths. You can customize this existing data. You can change the audio, you can change the video around it. So what if the age group of 6 to 10 wants to learn something? So you can take them through the presentation format that we have under the learning pathways. Specifically for the mature kids, we'll say, for if you want to teach them over the body parts or things like that. In this specific templates, what you can do, so if objects are blinking, that means some or the other information is inside it.
Okay.
So it's telling about the organ which we have selected.
Yes.
And now if I want to select
Intestines.
lungs.
So you have to press like full feet. Yes.
Yeah.
And you get the
So you
information
can,
right out
you
there.
get the information about the
Now the best
lungs
part,
also.
Manoj, you can also change the content on this.
Oh, that's great. So you can have your customized content
Absolutely,
also.
you can do that. The teachers can do that.
So
And can you imagine a video played on the floor with related to topic that you are teaching?
Oh.
So since you selected lungs, let's go for lungs. Let's see what is there on the floor for the lungs.
okay.
So this is a video embedded from YouTube, and now the
Right.
video will start playing.
Okay.
The units needs to be connected with the internet
Right.
to want to access the content. You can in fact download these content earlier,
Okay.
and then you can use it in the offline mode. It's
Oh,
not
that's
necessary
great.
that you need to have internet all the time.
Okay. So this is the kind of a game now.
Yes,
Yes.
this is
Yeah.
another.
So let's play a game.
So this is another template. We'll
Slow.
see maybe a mix of maths
Okay.
with the help of this
Loading.
template.
Let's see who will be doing.
All right.
Okay.
So I have my competitor.
You're performing or should I perform?
You should go.
So I think you should be playing this.
Yeah.
So this thing is a square.
Square. Square.
Yes. Very nice. Now the second one.
Okay.
24 plus 23. 47. 43 seconds. Now again,
Oh, that's great.
2 plus 4. Nice one. Again, the ladder have to be completed. 8 minus 2. Oh, she is coming first. 4 plus 4.
That's fun.
So now I'm going to grab my coin.
That's great. That's great. Wonderful. Wonderful. So this is a very, very vital and amazing tool to learn anything with gamification. I guess
As well as
we have
physical activities also there.
exactly. Physical.
Not only
And they enjoy a lot on
curriculum,
this.
but we do have something like extracurricular activities.
Absolutely.
How your school works, you have different subjects, you have PHE, you have sports, you
And
have music, painting, so everything is there right on one floor under one roof.
And you always need an X factor to have a school.
School. Exactly.
This is one of those products.
So this can be differentiator
Yes,
for the school,
definitely.
and you can have this active floor for your school, and you can differentiate yourself with other schools. So this is amazing, ma'am. So we'll look forward to it. And आपको अगर इसके बारे में कुछ और knowledge चाहिए, if you need any details about this product, you can call on the below number. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.